So you might be wondering why a different setup for the video today. That's because of this package today. I finally have a long-awaited monkey or chimpanzee t-shirt. So let's see what's inside. Woohoo. 5XL, afraid it might be a bit too large. So, let's try it on. So what do you guys think? Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay. And now for the other package, one of these light hammocks. So we've even got a rope to hang it. 2 pieces. And the hammock itself. Looks pretty cool. Can carry 2 people, so definitely a larger one like myself should be okay. Unfortunately, it's raining today, so we won't take it outside. We'll test it on another occasion. As you can see, one-piece construction, nice green color. They had this pink, orange, but in the woods, I don't think you'll want to be that noticed. It's always best to get something neutral like this. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and